Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 6, that is social justice and marginalized group. So, social justice means that there should not be any discrimination. भाई कोई discrimination नहीं होना चाहिए citizens के बीच में. So, all the citizens should have equal opportunity for self-development. Concept is based mainly on assumption that all the individuals living in the society are equal and no discrimination is made on the basis of caste, creed and color. So, Gajendra Gadar, social injustice means abolition of all social inequalities and provision of equal opportunity. What is marginalization? It is the process of being neglected, get neglected to a lower social standing, right? They suffer from isolation and social discrimination. Needless to say that marginalization bring about economic inequality, lower caste and untouchability, as well as tribal groups fell into this category of marginalization. The maker of our constitution were aware of deep roots of the marginalization and they realized that special provision would have to be made to bring these groups into mainstream. So what you will do, Dr. Ambedkar, that is chairman of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar drafting committee, play a crucial role in ensuring that constitution made special provision for these marginalized. So these groups are called scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, other backward caste. Now let's study about these marginalized group. We have SCs जिनको हम scheduled caste जिनको हम क्या कहते हैं untouchables. They need special attention. Now scheduled tribe means ST. They are mostly tribes live in the forests and mountains. They have quite different from others. ये nomadic herder होते हैं, food gatherers होते हैं, ये nomadic like chick. Other backward group who are placed at the lower side of the ladder of the scheduled caste and schedule. Government of India launched various schemes for welfare of OBC. Pre-examination coaching. ये pre-examination coaching देता है for the students, right? Hostel for OBC boys and girls. Financial assistance देता है pre-matric, post-matric और voluntary organization में इसको assistance में. Let's study about minorities, whether linguistic or religious, whose number is less than the people belonging to other. वो आपके minorities में. According to 2001 census, all the minorities constitute 18.42% of total population in India. Constitutional provision for safeguarding interest of the minorities. For realizing objective of equality and justice, constitution क्या करता है? स्पेशल रोल प्ले करता है. ये एडवांसमेंट किसमें होता है? रिलीजियस, लिंग्विस्टिक एंड कल्चर इन नेचर. So the constitution gives citizen possessing distinct language, script or culture. Children of linguistic minority are to be given instruction through their mother tongue. No person can be denied admissions for educational institution maintained by state. All minorities based on religion or language have right to establish and administer educational institution. Minority can impart instruction to their children. No discrimination can be made in matter of employment. Social inequality, we have caste system. The system has its origin in four varnas older days. The historians hold the view that system was not introduced all once. So we speaks for four varnas: Brahmin, Kshatriyas, Vaishya and Sudras. Kshatriyas warrior class, Vaishyas जो होते हैं वो आपके trader agriculture and Sudras menial workers होते हैं, right? Hindu society is divided into thousands of castes and subcastes. So if we talk about in the beginning, castes were probably formed on the basis of occupation. ठीक है? And इससे क्या हुआ? Division हुआ, disunity हुई, and person born as Sudra could not leave his caste and profession, and the caste determined one's way of living. It was the duty of the individual to follow customs and practice, and marrying outside the caste or within the people of caste fluid, and the rules of the caste system become sacred like those of lay. फिर आता है आपका untouchability. So one of the evil जो आपके कास्ट में रोल होता है वो है untouchability, right? So what it is carrying away human waste and sweeping roads. Such jobs are considered unclean. अब वो किसको दी जाती है? शूद्रास को. ठीक है, ये menial workers हो गए. The untouchables were not allowed to live inside the village. आप पानी नहीं निकाल सकते, वाटर नहीं निकाल सकते, टेम्पल में नहीं जा सकते. They wretched condition of untouchable affected conscience of many reformer and they began to strive on the eradication. वो चाहते थे कि इसको जो सोशल इवल है इसको eradicate करा जाए. तो आपके राम मोहन रॉय, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, all other reformers, they condemned this human in practice of untouchability. If we talk about condition of women, many of the wrongs that are done to women have been भाई सुपरस्टिशन है और कुछ नहीं है. खाली क्या है? सुपरस्टिशन है, राइट? The birth of girl child is considered unfortunate in some states. Custom of female infanticide is practiced. आपको बिल्कुल ban है, right? They are married of an early age and custom of child marriage still continue in rural area. Women have no right to make financial or other decisions. Custom of pardha is still prevalent. In Indian society, women are not encouraged to venture out. Due to this, they remain economically dependent even when law is in their favor. Right? The customs to remarry and after ill-treated, sati or burning of widow for her husbands. Now, social reformers has tried to improve the condition of women. वो चाहते थे कि जो वुमेन्स की कंडीशन उनको इम्प्रूव करा जाए, जैसे राजा राम मोहन रॉय, ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर, सिस्टर निवेदिता, केशव चंद्र सेन, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, ज्योति पुल्ले, पंडिता रामाबाई. They all have contributed for the women's uplift. Problems related to children. As you can see, future of democracy, children need to be directed for the right path because they need good food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare and decent education. So that the major share of the child population do not get enough food. अब भी क्या है भाई उन्हें food नहीं मिलता खाने. So they were forced to live in unhygienic condition और वो suffer करता है from various disease. Right? So we can say that they are given very low paid jobs in factories, those who manufacturing matches, carpets, glassware, and which are exploiting them in well ways. ये life of crime में भी जा रहे. Even a slight exposure of the world of the crime can become worse as it gives way for smoking. भाई वो ड्रिंकिंग करने लग जाता है, गैम्बलिंग करने लग जाता है, ड्रग्स लेने लग जाते हैं. Now effects of social inequalities in on economic inequality. A vast majority of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and minority live in rural or forested area. So there is no access of education. They remain uneducated, and there is lack of education and skill that affect economic condition. Since they are mostly uneducated, the rest of the country have little impact. Their social status prevents them from getting better. Social justice and Indian Constitution. Preamble of the Constitution states that one of the aim of the Indian Constitution is to give social and economic justice. This can be achieved only by reducing inequalities of wealth, social status. Constitution has made provision to achieve many of the fundamental right and directive principles, and the right to equality gives all the citizen right to get equal opportunity. Right? जो discrimination को भी क्या करती है हटाती. So the right to freedom gives all the citizen. आप अपने हिसाब से कोई भी काम कर सकते हो अपनी choice. Right against exploitation means ये आपको कि आपको कोई भी फोर्स नहीं करेगा कि आप पे करो और वो आपको ऐसे नहीं कि पैसे दे रहे हैं. नो वन कैन फोर्स यू टू वर्क विदाउट पे. द राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन, एजुकेशनल राइट, मतलब अपना रिलीजन, अपनी लैंग्वेज, अपने ट्रेडिशन को फॉलो कर सकते हो. एवरी चाइल्डहुड केयर, प्राइमरी एजुकेशन और बेसिक हेल्थ सर्विस मस्ट बी डिनाइड. And for the fair distribution of wealth among the people, Constitution has directed state government to ensure adequate means of life. Right? The Constitution also directed state government to help the weaker section of the society, like women, sick, aged, unemployed. उनको आप क्या दोगे? फ्री लीगल एड दोगे पुअर, जिससे आप उनके क्या कर सकते हो? पब्लिक हेल्थ को भी इम्प्रूव कर सकते. राइट? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.